Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about sine A sine B equals to 1 over 2 cosine of A minus B minus cosine of A plus B. So we apply the formula in here. For this one, we have 2x is about capital A, B that's about 4x, and then we have 1 over 2 cosine of 2x minus 4x, you got about negative 2x minus cosine of 2x plus 4x, you got about 6x. And now we know that cosine of negative 2x, you got about cosine 2x. Next, we have the final answer. The integration of cosine 2x, you got about 1 over 2 sine 2x. The integration of cosine 6x, you got about 1 over 6 sine 6x. And we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.